Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I have missed you all and I'm so excited to jump right into today's video. Back with fresh, simple and budget-friendly DIY home decor ideas that will instantly upgrade your space. Whether you are working with a tiny apartment or a spacious home, these ideas are perfect for anyone who loves getting creative. Let's start with DIY wall art. Grab a blanket canvas, some painter's tape, and your favorite color palette. Create bold geometric pattern for a modern high-end look on a dollar store budget. If you are loving these ideas, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss what's coming next. I have a lot more DIY magic in store. Thanks for watching and it feels so good to be back. See you in the next one.